Hi everyone, this is Brandy with Falcon Healing Arts. I'd like to show you how to perform Kapalabhati breathing. It's translated as skull shining breath, and it's as invigorating as it sounds. It's one of the 6 yoga kriyas for internal cleansing. It clears out mucus, and it tones the whole respiratory system, also the heart, the liver, the intestines, and the abdominal muscles. You'll want to avoid this practice if you have high or low blood pressure, a headache, dizziness, or gastrointestinal issues. When you're ready, you can come into a comfortable seated position, any version of a cross-legged pose. Or you can sit in between the feet on a cushion or on the heels. My preference is to sit cross-legged, one heel in front of the other, so my belly has plenty of space. And then we'll close our eyes and take a few deep breaths to settle in. So with Kapalabhati, we exhale forcefully, pulling the belly in and blowing out of the nose. The inhalation passively moves back in through the nose. So watch here as I do 10 pumpings. After the last exhalation, we inhale long and deep. Lift the pelvic floor, chin moves in toward the chest, and we hold the breath in. And when you're ready for breath, we release the pelvic floor, release the chin lock, and breathe normally. So now you can join me for 10 pumpings. Inhale long and deep, applying Mula Bandha, the root lock, Jalandhara Bandha, the throat lock. Holding the breath in, close to the central channel. Release, normal breathing. Now maybe you can build up to 20 pumpings. Inhale long and deep. Hold the breath in with the locks. Energy in the torso. Filling the front and back equally. And we release before we need the breath. Take some time to sit in stillness, noticing the effects. So this is Kapalabhati breathing, and maybe you can build up to 30 or even 50 pumpings. I hope you enjoy this practice. Namaste.